Greetings.
Welcome to Digital Destiny. If you're a car enthusiast, you're in for a treat today. We're showcasing some incredible car transformations that will blow your mind. From rusty relics to stunning showpieces, these mods are nothing short of epic. Let's dive into these epic before and after shots and explore the incredible modifications that made these cars stand out. First up, we have this classic muscle car. Take a look at it in its original state, rusty and worn but still holding so much potential. The transformation begins with a full restoration. We sanded down the rust, applied a stunning deep blue paint, and upgraded the exhaust system for that signature growl. Now check it out. This beauty is not just restored but revitalized, ready to hit the streets and turn heads. Segment 2, car number 2, vintage sedan. Next, we have a vintage sedan that was practically forgotten. It's time to bring this beauty back to life. We gave it a complete interior makeover with custom leather seats and a modern sound system, paired with a fresh coat of classic cream paint that gives it a retro vibe. Look at that shine. This vintage sedan is now a luxurious ride that pays homage to its roots while embracing modern comforts. Segment 3, off-road truck. Now let's take a look at this rugged off-road truck. It had great bones, but it needed some serious upgrades to tackle those trails. With a lift kit, all-terrain tires, and custom bumpers, we turned this truck into an off-roading beast that can handle anything. Now this truck is ready for adventure. It's not just about looks, it's built for performance and durability. What a ride! Each of these transformations tells a unique story of passion and creativity. Which transformation was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic car content. Until next time, keep the engines roaring.